Hello, today we're going to show you myChow.
Yep. It's something that we've been working on for quite a while, and we're super happy to show it to you. Now, at the time that we're recording this, the surprise version isn't yet available because it won't be available until January 1st, 2022. By the time you're watching this, it probably will be available. But when you come to ketochow.xyz/mychow or through the navigation on our side, you'll be confronted with two options. Do you want to choose your own kit to configure it yourself and you'll save 15%, or do you want to have us give you a surprise?
Yep.
In which case you'll save 20%. With one of them, it's very simple. You just order it and, well, you pick the size and that's it. With the other one, you get to actually build a kit. So let's show you.
So this is what it looks like.
Yeah.
Do you want to push the sharing?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, that'd be good. Go back to the first page.
Yes, let me go back to the first page. Here we are. It was in the background, but you couldn't see it very well. Now we're tiny in the corner. Yeah, so you can choose which one you want. So we're going to choose that one. You're able to choose your size. So different size of 21 meal bags, different amounts of the individual packets.
Yep, total 20, 30, 60, or 90.
Yep. So I'll just go ahead and choose that. Now, while you're within this, if you want to go back to a previous step, just scroll down to the bottom and hit the back. If you hit the back button on your browser, it actually takes you back to this page.
Yeah.
So
hit the next is what he said.
Yeah. So we'll go on here. It allows you to choose your bulk bags. Like it says, pick the flavors you want, then scroll down to the next section. So you can get a surprise flavor.
Which will pick the same surprise for the whole month.
Yeah, so everybody who gets the surprise that month will get the same thing.
This size. The individual packet will be a different flavor.
Yep.
So if you choose two surprises, a small one and a big one, they'll be different flavors.
Yep. Now, if you choose multiple of the small ones, they'll all be the same. Okay, so you know what? I want to get some apple pie. Oh, look how it dimmed out. It says choose one bulk meal bag. I chose it. Let's scroll down.
Check mark.
So we're going to scroll down, and I need to choose 9 single meal packets.
Okay, and there's that surprise up there.
Yep. Oh, let's get 2 of those.
Yeah.
Whatever it is.
So that'll be 2 of the same flavor, but not the same as the bulk bag if we did
one. Chocolate mint. Oh, okay, that's enough.
Okay.
I've got my 30.
And then you're like, oh, wait a minute, I actually wanted more, so less peanut butter and get something else.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about a lemon meringue?
Yeah.
Sweet. Okay, so I can hit next up here, or I can hit next here.
Perfect.
Or I can click go back if I want to change the size.
Yes.
So now let's add some optional extras.
Yes, you do not have to add the section. You can click next if you want to, but these are things that you can add.
You'll see a 10%. Now the recipe cards is actually you save 33%. Normally $3 for them, but you'll only pay $2.
Yep.
So I want the recipe cards.
Perfect.
And I want some electrolyte drops.
Because you go through that once a month, right?
Yeah, and the available optional extras are kind of limited. There are some technical constraints, so we're only able to offer some of them. So I'm going to go ahead and add that.
Why don't you egg that egg white protein?
Oh, we can't yet.
Oh, but you will be able to when this video goes live.
When this video is live, you will be able to. So I've got the stuff that I want. I'm going to hit next. Okay, review your subscription. Now, you can go back, hitting this go back button, and change your selections. Once you add it to your cart, it kind of locks it in. And if you want to change it, you actually have to delete it and add a new one.
Yeah, that's if you're still in the cart and you're trying to check out, right?
Yes.
So can you scroll a little bit slowly so we can just kind of glance over these flavors we selected?
Yep.
Okay, so it says 1, 2, 1, 3, 1. Okay, and then it says the add-ons. I've got 2 different add-ons, but those add-ons are subscription. So it says subscription times 1, subscription times 1.
That's correct.
And then that's the total order right there.
Yep. And then we've got the frequency. Do I want it every 1 month or every 2 months?
Every 1 month.
Okay. Or you can switch to only once, and that takes away all of the discounts. Now, you cannot use any discount coupons, any affiliate links, anything like that on the myChow subscription. We've set it up to have the best discount you can get.
Yes.
And so it's the cheapest way to get Keto Chow on a recurring basis. So no other discounts work.
Yes.
Unfortunately, that's just the way it is.
Sorry.
If you want to use a discount, you can order regularly. hey, that works too.
Yep.
So I'm happy with the way it is. So I'm
Perfect.
going to add it to my cart.
Right.
It's going to do its thing. All right. It's already added.
And then it's listed right there. If you scroll up a little bit, listed with the myChow subscription. All those flavors are listed there too, if you wanted to remember what you got.
Correct.
And then the 2 add-ons, which are also subscriptions. So you've added those to a subscription, but they will come in and look like their own subscriptions when you go to change it. So that's just something you need to keep in mind.
Now you can use rewards money or rewards in-store credit. You just have to open up the little widget thing and copy it.
Yep.
We unfortunately have to hide the button that allows you to do it.
Yeah, because it messes with the
It messes with the
selection right
subscription,
there.
Yeah. And when you go to checkout, you can then paste it in.
Yeah, paste it right there where the
Yep,
gift
right there.
account
So
card.
let's go ahead and let's go back here, and I want to show you what it looks like to manage a subscription that you already have.
Okay.
So I just went into my account, went to manage subscriptions, and I have an active subscription.
Okay.
It's a 90 meal
All right.
that we have coming on January 24th. And there's actually some recipe cards as well. So if you go into edit, you can change the delivery schedule.
Cool.
You can change the product. Check this out. Update contents.
So you can just change anything in that list, right? Oh, that's so cool.
So I've got the 90 meal. Let's change it to the 20 meal.
Okay.
So remove 7 to continue.
Oh.
So I'm going to remove a bunch of these because the 20 meal doesn't actually have any of the large bags.
Oh.
And as soon as I removed those, that section actually went away.
Totally.
And now I'm back here to just the singles. And I need to add 2.
Oh, because you still have some selected. That's why you need to add
That's
2.
correct.
So you're not actually starting over this way. It's taking what you have existing and then you're
Absolutely.
just changing it.
Yep.
That is
So
cool.
I'm going to go ahead and hit save. It's going to save those changes.
Nice.
Cool. Now, let's see. What delivery schedule do we want to use?
1 month, of course.
Let's change it to 1 month.
Okay.
And after we do that, do we want to add anything in? Because the cool thing is, down here below, we have the option to toss stuff in. And you can add a one-time or a subscription.
Nice.
It's got my payment method, my shipping address.
Already in there.
I can come to the delivery schedule and I'll see just kind of it's a 60-day window that shows you what's coming when. In the subscriptions, I can also, well, I guess I can just hit edit there. I also have the option to change the next charge date. So for instance, right now it's set to charge again on January 13th.
Okay.
I actually want to charge on the 18th just because. Why not?
You can.
Yep. That works better for me. Hey, great. January 18th. And it's delivering every 1 month. So that's about it. That's how you configure the myChow kit. So.
And then if you go down to the bottom, do you have to save the changes or is it automatically?
No, it automatically. As you're going up, automatically changes it. You can change your shipping address, payment methods. There's a lot of different options that are available.
Okay, cool.
So that's about it. That's the myChow kit.
Yep, we're excited for you to see it.
Yeah. Have a good day.
Bye.